What if you could launch your own online school without hiring a single teacher? Imagine AI teachers that explain lessons, answer student questions, create quizzes automatically, and teach 24 hours a day, all while you manage everything from one dashboard. Sounds impossible, right? Well, that's exactly what AI School Builder claims to do. But is it really worth buying, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? Let's find out. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in AI tools, online business, or building passive income with technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're reviewing AI School Builder, a platform that promises to help anyone create a complete AI-powered online school with human-like AI teachers. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it does, who it's for, and whether it's worth your investment. Let's jump in. Let's be honest. Starting an online education business isn't easy. You need teachers, you need course creators, you need a learning platform, you need quizzes, assignments, payment systems, and technical support. On top of that, most online courses are just recorded videos. Students watch for a few minutes, get confused, lose motivation, and eventually stop learning. That's where AI School Builder tries to change the game. Instead of relying only on recorded lessons, it introduces AI-powered teachers that can interact with students and provide a more engaging learning experience. Here's how the platform works. First, you create your own online school. Add your logo, branding, and even connect your own domain. Next, choose the subjects you want to teach. Whether it's math, science, English, coding, history, geography, or your own custom topics, the platform is designed to support a wide range of subjects. Then assign an AI teacher. According to the product, the AI can explain lessons with natural voice, answer student questions, generate quizzes and assignments automatically, and even track student progress. Students simply log in, attend lessons, interact with the AI teacher, and complete quizzes, all from the same platform. Here are some of the biggest features: human-like AI teachers, live voice teaching, instant question and answer support, automatic quizzes and tests, student progress tracking, support for more than 30 languages, your own branded school and custom domain, built-in payment collection for selling courses or memberships, commercial license if you want to create schools for clients. If these features work as advertised, the platform could significantly reduce the time and effort required to launch an online education business. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly setup, multiple subjects supported, AI-powered teaching features, white label branding, built-in payment options, one-time purchase during the launch offer. Cons: the real-world quality of AI teaching and student interaction can vary, so it's worth watching the official demo and evaluating whether it meets your needs. Also, remember that no software can automatically bring students to your school. You'll still need your own marketing strategy. So, is AI School Builder worth it? If you're an educator, coach, course creator, entrepreneur, or someone who wants to build an online education business, this platform offers an interesting all-in-one concept. Just make sure your expectations match what the software currently provides, and review the official demo, pricing, and refund policy before purchasing. If you'd like to check out AI School Builder for yourself, I've placed the official link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more AI software reviews.